Hey there, WordPress wizards! Want to make your website pop with never-ending animations? Imagine your text floating like a cloud or buttons pulsing like a heartbeat forever. Let's learn how to use Nexter's continuous animation block. Before we begin, ensure you have the WordPress block editor should be active on your site and activate both the free and pro versions of Nexter blocks. Step 1. Install and activate both the free and pro versions of Nexter blocks. To install the Nexter Blocks plugin in WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New and type Nexter Blocks in the search bar. Find the Nexter Blocks plugin in the results, click the Install Now button, and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Next, activate the Pro version. To do this, go to Nexter Blocks and click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, you'll see the benefits of upgrading. Click Upgrade Now again and choose the plan that best suits your needs. After purchasing, you'll receive a zip file and an activation code. Now, return to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. Then, click Upload Plugin, select the Nexter Blocks Pro zip file, and click Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Activate Plugin. Once activated, go to the Nexter Blocks dashboard and click on Activate Pro. Enter your license key and click Activate. Congratulations, you've successfully activated the Pro version of Nexter Blocks. Step 2. Activate Continuous Animation Block. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Click Nexter Blocks, then Blocks. Search for Continuous Animation and turn the toggle on. Click Save Settings. Step 3. Add animation to your block. First, select any block, like an image, heading, or button. Click the Advanced tab, then find Nexter Extras. Toggle Continuous Animation to On. Now pick an animation effect, such as pulse, floating, tossing, or rotating. Want the effect to play only when hovering? Enable the Hover Animation toggle. It'll activate when users mouse over the block. To control speed, enter a number in the duration time box. For example, 3 means the animation lasts 3 seconds. Remember, higher numbers make the animation slower. Let me create all these animation effects now, and you can see them in the Preview tab. Here, I've added some continuous animations and some hover effects. Let's review them together. And just like that, with Nexter's continuous animation block, your website transforms from ordinary to extraordinary. Watch your text dance, your images float, and keep your visitors engaged with every scroll. And if you ever feel stuck, remember, you can raise a support ticket, ask the AI bot for help, or join the WordPress community on Facebook. Help is always available. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.